Hello, and welcome back to Mentority. Today, we're diving into an essential skill for effective writing: English paragraph writing. Whether you're a student, looking to improve your essays, or a professional aiming to enhance your communication, mastering this skill is crucial. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of crafting clear and coherent paragraphs. So, let's get started. Significance of paragraph writing. Before we jump into the how, let's briefly discuss why paragraph writing matters. Paragraphs are the building blocks of your writing. They help you structure your ideas, maintain clarity, and guide your reader through your thoughts. Components of a paragraph. A well-structured paragraph consists of several key components as follows. First, topic sentence. The topic sentence is the foundation of your paragraph. It introduces the main idea you want to convey. Second, supporting details. Supporting details provide evidence, examples, or explanations that bolster your main point. Third component, coherence and unity. Maintaining coherence and unity ensures that all sentences in your paragraph are connected and serve the same purpose. Crafting a well-structured paragraph. Now that we understand the components, let's craft a paragraph together. Our topic: the benefits of regular exercise. Topic sentence. Our topic sentence might be: regular exercise offers numerous health benefits. Supporting details. Now, let's add supporting details like reduces the risk of chronic diseases, improves mental well-being, and boosts energy levels. Coherence and unity. To maintain coherence, ensure that each detail logically follows the previous one, creating a smooth flow of ideas. To enhance coherence, we can use transition words and phrases, such as furthermore, in addition, and on the other hand, to connect our sentences. These words act as signposts, guiding your reader through your paragraph. Some common paragraph types. Now, let's explore some common paragraph types. First, expository paragraph. Expository paragraphs explain a concept, provide information, or describe a process. Following is the best example of expository paragraph. The water cycle is a continuous process that involves evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. When the sun's heat causes water to evaporate from lakes and oceans, it forms clouds in the sky. These clouds release moisture as rain or snow, replenishing our freshwater sources. Second type, persuasive paragraph. Persuasive paragraphs aim to convince the reader of a particular viewpoint or argument. Following is the best example of persuasive paragraph. Switching to renewable energy sources is not just an environmental responsibility, it's an economic necessity. By investing in solar and wind power, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, lower energy costs, and create new job opportunities in the green energy sector. Third type, narrative paragraph. Following is the best example of narrative paragraph. As I stepped onto the sandy beach, the warm, golden sun kissed my skin. The gentle waves lapped at the shore, creating a soothing soundtrack. With a surfboard under my arm and excitement in my heart, I paddled out into the ocean, ready to catch my first wave of the day. As you become more comfortable with these concepts, your paragraph writing will become more effective. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. Thank you for joining us today on Mentority. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for more valuable content. Feel free to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Until next time, keep writing and keep learning.